Hello. Today we're going to talk about the five essential job functions property management companies should outsource to the Philippines. So let's talk about the functions. First, accounting and bookkeeping. Outsourcing accounting and bookkeeping tasks in property management to the Philippines is a popular choice due to the highly trained and experienced professionals who can help maintain accurate financial records, ensure compliance with local laws and regulations, and use advanced software for efficient processing. It can also be cost effective due to the lower cost of living and labor in the Philippines compared to Western countries. Second, tenant and owner communication. Tenant and owner communication is crucial in property management and requires regular interaction and timely responses to inquiries and concerns. Outsourcing this function to professionals in the Philippines who are skilled in customer service and conflict resolution can provide property management companies with a large pool of talented professionals who can provide high quality communication and customer service to property owners and tenants. Third, administrative tasks. Administrative tasks in property management include record keeping, data entry, scheduling appointments, managing emails, and answering phone calls. Outsourcing these tasks to property management companies in the Philippines can increase efficiency, allow more focus on core operations, and improve the quality of work through strict quality control measures. Fourth, property maintenance and repairs. Property maintenance and repairs are crucial for the upkeep and safety of a property, but it can be challenging for property owners who are far away. Outsourcing to the Philippines is a cost effective solution, and partnering with reliable outsourcing firms can guarantee high quality work and reduce costs for property management companies. Fifth, marketing and sales. Marketing and sales in property management involve promoting and advertising rental properties to attract tenants. Outsourcing this function to property marketing experts in the Philippines can increase occupancy rates and rental income by creating effective advertising campaigns, managing social media accounts, and generating leads. Trust experts who will take care of your property and tenants like you would. Outsource your property management functions to the Philippines. Go to kdci.co to learn more.